Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Pagedone. So Pagedone is a huge library that features over 1000 UI components. So there are sections, there are pages in Figma and Tailwind CSS. You can use them on your website. Apart from that, Pagedone also has a big collection of icons as well as blocks and a lot more elements that you can use on your website. And Pagedone is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is $150, but at Appsumo you're getting this tool at only $39. This is a one-time single payment. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So these are two of the plans that are available for Pagedone on Appsumo. So the Designer Plus plan costs $39, where you can get marketing-based components, application-based components, e-commerce components, and there are also icons, marketing UI components, application UI components. There is also this Developer Plus plan that is going to cost $78. So the additional features on Developer Plus plan is this marketing blocks in Tailwind CSS, application blocks, as well as e-commerce blocks in Tailwind CSS. So if you want to buy Pagedone on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let me show you the huge collection of UI components on Pagedone. So currently we are on Pagedone website, and on here you can see all of the UI components that they are currently offering. So for that you have to click on these products. So as you can see, these are some of the categories. So the first collection that I want to show you is this Figma design system. Let's open this. So on this Figma design system, you're going to get various components, different types of components, such as these foundational Figma components. So these are the atoms, as you can see, and you can preview any of them. All you have to do is just click on a certain one. So if I want to open this component, the color and gradient. So as you can see, now I can see the preview properly. So you can customize the color. There are also color tokens, edit or add or remove color tokens. So there are various options within this color and gradients Tailwind CSS. So now let's go back. So on these atoms, we also have the company logo, various icons, shadows and blur. And then we have the molecules that are the Figma based components. So you can add this button, this toggle, radio, banner, badges, whatever you want. And once again, in order to preview any of these components, just click on that. So as you can see, now you can see the preview, and I can also zoom in order to see the elements more clearly. And I can see the other components, all the components that are available with this. Now let's go back. And after molecules, we also have the marketing website blocks. So here are all of them. So there are some really important blocks such as this FAQs, CTS, which means call to actions. You have blocks for blog and news, the contact us block, pricing plan, testimonials, hero sections. So on this marketing website blocks, there are some really important blocks that you can use on your website. And then we have the e-commerce blocks. So here are all of them. Then we have all the app components. And last but not least, we have the full pages components. So the login, the about us, blog details, career. So if I want to preview this login, so here is how the login page is going to look like. So you can zoom in order to see the preview more clearly. So let's go back. So on Figma design system on Pagedone, these are all the components, all the pages that you can use on your website. And then we have the Tailwind CSS blocks. So first of all, we have all the marketing blocks. So on here, there are various choices. So the hero sections, the feature sections, testimonial sections. So on this hero section, there are overall 24 blocks. And if I want to show you all of them, so here are all of the blocks that you can use or find on this particular section. Now let's go back and let me show you the other ones. We also have Tailwind CSS feature sections with 23 blocks, the CSS testimonial section with 25 blocks, FAQ section with 15 blocks. Then we have the pricing, the team section, portfolio, CSS footer. So these are all the sections that you can find on the marketing category. So for e-commerce, there are some really good CSS products. So if I open this one, it has 9 blocks. So here are all of them. And then we have the Tailwind CSS product list, the shopping cart, product review, order summary, incentive sections, order history, and a lot more. And then we have the application UI blocks. So here are all of them. Let's open this first one. So other than the preview, you also get the code for this CSS. So just click on this. So as you can see, here is the code. So just like this, you can see the code for any of these blocks. And then we have the full page UI blocks. So here are all of them. And then on page done, we have the Tailwind colors. So here you can generate multiple tint or shades of a single particular color. So the color is set to blue. So here are all the tints and the shades of blue. So in order to use any of them, all you have to do is just copy the color. You can also change the tint or shade level, the percentage from here. And in order to change the color, just click on this. For example, I want to choose the red color. So here are all the shades and tints that are going to be available with the red color. And then on the products, we have icons. So there are over 300 icons on page done and all of them are categorized. So this way you can super easily find any of the icons. And something I really like is that you can customize the icons in terms of their size, stroke, and the color. So here you can change the size. As you can see, it is increasing. You can also decrease it. You can also change the stroke, which means the intensity, or make it thicker or thinner, whatever you want. You can also change the color from here. And if you want to use any of them, just copy the SVG file or you can also download it. So we have actions, all the icons that are related to actions. And then we have navigation icons, media, users, communication, business, finance, shopping, layout and grid, editors, essentials, MISC, emojis, and system. And on page done, there are also another collection of elements that are upcoming, that is Tailwind templates. And those templates are also going to be customizable. So that is really good. So overall, I think Page Done is an excellent tool, especially if you have the use case for it. While designing our website, we often face the shortage of icons, sections, pages, components, various elements. So either you have to find that, waste a lot of time in finding the proper icons, proper elements. And on the other hand, some people spend a lot in order to arrange all these elements. But with Page Done, you get all of them in one place. And the best part is this tool is available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So you have to pay $39 just once and you will get lifetime access to this Page Done. So you can use this tool on as many websites as you want. And with this tool, you are going to get these two plans. So on the Developer Plus plan, there are 3 additional elements that you get: the marketing blocks, application blocks, and the e-commerce blocks in Tailwind CSS. So if you want to buy Page Done on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.